Floorplanner Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Floorplanner is an online tool for creating November 22nd, 2025 and November 21st, 2025 floor plans, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's only for architects. The surprising truth is that Floorplanner is designed for anyone from real estate agents to interior designers looking to visualize spaces quickly and easily. Pricing starts with a free basic plan, offering one project with standard features. Paid plans begin at per month, allowing multiple projects, high-resolution exports, and access to advanced features like November 21st, 2025 walkthroughs and furniture libraries. You won't believe the convenience included: drag and drop editing, automatic measurements, and integration of professional tools for real estate listings. Most people get this wrong by thinking free plans are sufficient. Premium plans save time, provide better visuals, and enhance collaboration, making them worth the investment for professionals or frequent users. In conclusion, Floorplanner pricing reflects the balance between basic access and premium features that boost productivity and visual quality. By understanding plan tiers and included tools, you go from zero to pro in deciding how to create accurate, professional floor plans efficiently.